To the school head of RGFS, Mrs. Garcia, assistant school head, Ms. Larimar Garcia, teachers, distinguished guests, beloved parents, and my fellow graduates, a pleasant afternoon. Being an honor student is a goal that many of us want to achieve. We try to push ourselves to study hard in order for us to receive recognition in the end. Just like what my father told me, it is not just about your grades or the recognition you receive, but the reputation you build. So each one of us deserves great appreciation because we all gave effort in putting ourselves to where we stand today. As for me, doing the valedictorian would not be possible if it wasn't for all the people who supported me and helped me study. For that, I would like to take this opportunity to thank the people behind my success. First of all, Papa Jesus for giving me the intelligence that enables me to understand my lesson very well. To my Mama and Papa, Lolo and Lola, Mommy and Daddy, Tita Kai, Tita Ani, Tita Lengen, and Iya. Thank you for giving me unconditional love and support. To my classmates for not being a classmate but a friend to me. This is just the beginning of the very long journey that we will take as we take each little step. May our good Lord be with us always. Again, a pleasant afternoon to all.